Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel CAD by Pooja. So in today's video we are going to design this 3D teacup that you can see on my screen right now. So let's get started. Click on File, New, click on Part and then OK. So now that a new window has opened, click on Front Plane, Sketch and select a center line. For the orientation, vertical and then infinite length. Place it at the origin. Okay, now select line, draw a horizontal line, then a vertical line and again a horizontal line. Go to smart dimension. The length of the vertical line is 60 mm. Bottom horizontal line, enter 20 mm, and the length of the top horizontal line is 30 mm. Now select spline and make a 3-point spline here, point 1, point 2 and then point 3. Now go to smart dimension. As we have to define this spline also, select this point and the top line. So the distance between this point and the top horizontal line is 15 mm. Vertical line and the point is 35 mm. Okay, this looks great. Now exit sketch, go to features and select Revolve workspace. So as you can see on the screen, our main body of the teacup is ready here. Now select the plane, front plane, sketch and spline. Now we have to make the handle for the teacup. So point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5 and point 6. Now go to smart dimension, point 1 and the top edge 15 mm, point 2 and the top edge 8 mm, point 3 and the top edge 20 mm, point 4 and the top edge 30 mm, point 5 and the top edge 42 mm, point 6 and the bottom surface is 10 mm. So our vertical dimensions are done here. Now we have to give the horizontal dimensions. Point 1, 25 mm, point 2, 38 mm, point 3, 53 mm, point 4, 50 mm, point 5, 40 mm and point 6, 17 mm. Okay, so now we're gonna select offset entities and select this spline we just created, and the offset value is 3.5 mm. Okay, Now select line as we need a close sketch. So select these, connect these open points here and here also. Okay, now exit sketch, go to features, extruded boss base, select mid plane here and 7 mm. Okay, so now as you can see on screen, the main body as well as the handle is ready here. Now the next part is we have to create the main cavity of the teacup, and also there is a small cavity at the bottom. So select front plane, go to sketch, select center line, orientation vertical, and then infinite length, place it at the origin. Now what we are gonna do is select corner rectangle and make a rectangle here at the bottom. Okay, now go to offset entities and uncheck this select chain and select this edge only. Okay, reverse the direction and 3 mm. Click OK. Go to spline. We have to connect this curve to this top surface. So spline, and then go to line, horizontal line, then vertical, and then again horizontal. Now click on smart dimension, enter 26.5 here. Select this line and this bottom surface and enter here 6. Okay, enter here 2.5 and this is 17. Now click on trim entities and just trim this part. Okay, now exit the sketch, go to features and click on revolve cut. Okay, so our cup is almost ready here. The only thing that is remaining is to add fillets. So click on fillet, 1 mm radius, and select this top face, this bottom face, and select this face and this face. Click on OK, then again click on fillet, this time for radius value enter 3, select this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Okay, then select fillet again and this time enter 1 for the fillet radius. Select this, this, and here also this part and this part. Okay, done. Click on OK. So as you can see, our cup is ready here. Now the only thing that is remaining is to give it an appearance. Click on edit appearance. You're gonna give it a color. You can choose any color from here, or like there's a whole library here, you can select any color from there. So I'm gonna select this color. Okay, now go to display style and change it to shaded. So you can see on the screen our cup is ready here. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and if you found this video helpful, then please like my video, and also for more content and to stay connected, I request you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.